Let's focus on the voiceover invoice. What is all the information that should go in there? Let's analyze together. So every invoice should have a header. A header refers to the topmost part of the invoice. That should have your logo. It should have the brand name. So if you're doing the voiceover for Ribena, Peak Milk, you can just label it at the top right and say Peak Milk or Ribena. And then it should have your name and contact information, your name, your phone number, and your website information. All right, next we move to billing information, the name of the company, the address, and the email. Over here, there's details of the invoice number, the invoice date, payment due, and amount due. So it totals the amount of the figures that you put into the invoice, and that is the amount that the client is expected to pay the artist. Under items, you should state your voiceover description. What kind of voiceover did you do, or what kind of voiceover are you doing? Is it a 15-second commercial, a 30-second explainer video? Put in the information there. And what's the quantity of the script that you read, or the script you're reading? Is it 1, 2 scripts? Please note that every duration should be segmented from another duration, okay? Make sure that the quantity of scripts is different per duration, and then put in the amount you're charging, and then of course it automatically states the amount. And then please note, voice artists, that your studio session fees is separate from your talent fees. Okay, so include your studio session fees. How much is the studio charging you per hour, per minute? Please indicate it there. And then you are a business, you are running a business as an artist. Ensure you include your 7.5 VAT. In Nigeria is 7.5%. So put in your government tax there, and then it provides the total amount due. So next, you put in your payment information. Ensure that this information is correct to avoid a failed or delayed payment. So put in your bank name and bank account number. Next, you want to state your notes and your terms. This is very, very important for every voice artist. State your terms, because some clients can be funny. They add additional text, make some changes, and then they expect you to read it all over and over again. Some clients can be funny. So to avoid back and forth, please state your terms. How many revisions are they entitled to? Is it 1? Is it 2? Is it 3? State it there. Are you going to collect upfront payment for your work? What's the percentage? Is it 50%, 20%, 70%? State it there. State your terms. Finally, we get to the footer of the invoice. Now, this is the bottom part of the invoice where you get to state your thank you message. Keep it short and simple. Thank you for your business. Thank you for your patronage. Thank you for the business opportunity. Whatever you want to say. So this is an old template I used to have. I was trying to get creative about customizing my own voiceover invoice. So instead of items, I had description, and instead of quantity, I had total number of hours, because our work is very, very time-based. So you can actually try to work these things out, explore, and try to be creative about creating your own voiceover invoice. So that's all I have to share, and I hope you found this very insightful. So there you have it, guys. That's all about the voiceover invoice. Did I miss out any information? Please let me know in the comments, and let's learn together. See you next time. Bye.